Advance your career with ASQ Certified Manager of Quality Organizational Excellence CMQ/OE certification URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. If you are a quality engineer, quality manager, manufacturing professional, project manager, operations manager, business excellence professional, continuous improvement specialist, consultant, or an aspiring leader looking to accelerate your career, then this video is for you. Today's industries are transforming faster than ever before. Organizations across manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, oil and gas, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, IT, construction, logistics, power, and service sectors are seeking professionals who can drive quality, improve business performance, reduce risks, enhance customer satisfaction, and lead organizational excellence. Technical knowledge alone is no longer enough. Employers are looking for professionals who can think strategically, solve complex business problems, lead teams, manage organizational change, and deliver measurable business results. One of the most respected global credentials that demonstrate these capabilities is the ASQ Certified Manager of Quality Organizational Excellence, widely known as the CMQ/OE certification. In this video, we will discuss what is the ASQ CMQ/OE certification, why is it highly valued across industries, who is eligible, what career opportunities does it create, what topics are covered in the body of knowledge, why professionals around the world choose this certification, and finally how URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited helps you prepare successfully throughout its comprehensive monthly online training program. So stay with us until the end because this certification could become one of the most valuable investments in your professional career. About ASQ. Before discussing the certification, let us first understand the organization behind it. The American Society for Quality, commonly known as ASQ, is one of the world's most respected professional organizations dedicated to quality management and continuous improvement. For decades, ASQ has helped organizations and professionals improve quality, productivity, operational excellence, customer satisfaction, and organizational performance. Thousands of companies across more than 130 countries recognize ASQ certifications as proof of professional competence. Many Fortune 500 companies actively encourage or prefer ASQ certified professionals because they understand internationally accepted quality principles and best practices. ASQ certifications are recognized in industries such as manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, oil and gas, chemical, pharmaceuticals, medical devices, healthcare, construction, information technology, telecommunications, food processing, electronics, energy, utilities, government organizations, consulting services. Regardless of your industry, quality remains the foundation of sustainable business success. Organizations today compete not only on price but also on reliability, customer experience, innovation, compliance, and operational excellence. Quality professionals therefore play an increasingly strategic role in achieving business objectives. What is CMQ/OE? The Certified Manager of Quality Organizational Excellence or CMQ/OE is one of ASQ's flagship certifications. Unlike certifications that focus only on inspection or statistical quality control, CMQ/OE prepares professionals to lead quality initiatives across the entire organization. A CMQ/OE professional understands how quality supports business strategy, customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and sustainable growth. This certification develops leaders who can build high-performing organizations, lead quality transformation initiatives, improve organizational performance, manage strategic planning, develop effective quality management systems, lead cross-functional teams, improve customer satisfaction, reduce operational risks, drive continuous improvement, strengthen supplier quality, enhance process capability, support organizational excellence. A CMQ/OE certified professional is not limited to quality control. Instead, they become a business leader capable of integrating quality into every organizational function. This is why CMQ OE certified professionals often move into leadership positions such as quality manager, senior quality manager, head of quality, operational excellence manager, business excellence manager, continuous improvement manager, Lean Six Sigma manager, quality director, plant quality head, supplier quality manager, corporate quality manager, compliance manager, operations excellence leader, process improvement consultant, quality consultant. Many organizations also consider CMQ/OE certifications as evidence of leadership capability when evaluating candidates for senior management positions. These certificates demonstrate not only technical expertise but also strategic thinking, leadership, communication skills, project management capability, customer focus, and business acumen. As industries become more competitive and customer expectations continue to rise, organizations increasingly seek professionals who can lead transformational change, and CMQ/OE is designed to prepare you for exactly that role. Now coming up in part 2. In the next part we will cover, this is part 1. After this you can see our part 2 also. So in part 2 we will cover who should pursue the CMQ/OE certification, eligibility requirements, complete CMQ/OE body of knowledge explained in simple language, leadership and strategic planning, customer focus, process management, supply chain quality, risk management, performance measurement, continuous improvement, real world industry applications. This will help you understand how the certification aligns with your career goals before we explore the training approach offered by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it has helped you understand the value of the ASQ Certified Manager of Quality / Organizational Excellence CMQ/OE certification and how it can accelerate your career professional growth. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we conduct 5 days live online CMQ/OE training every month, delivered by experienced industry experts. Our program includes comprehensive study materials, instructor-led sessions, practice examinations, 1 year of learning management systems, LMS assays, and continuous monitoring to help you confidently prepare for the ASQ certification examination. For course details, batch schedules, corporate training, or registration, contact us today. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on quality management, engineering excellence, ASQ certifications, ISO standards, lead author courses, technical training, inspection, and industrial best practices. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you achieve your professional certification goals. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, your trusted partner for global engineering training, certification, inspection, testing, and business excellence. Thank you.